Have you ever wondered how AI understands us? Let's explore prompt engineering. It's a crucial role in AI development. As we advance into the future, this profession is becoming essential. Prompt engineers will reshape how we interact with technology by 2030. They create and refine instructions for AI systems. This job bridges human language and machine understanding. First, let's take a look at the skills needed for success. Creativity is key. You must craft effective prompts. Communication skills are also crucial. Engineers need to convey ideas clearly. Technical knowledge matters too. Familiarity with AI models helps a lot. Next, let's dive into various sectors that need prompt engineers. Tech companies rely on them extensively. They enhance user experiences in apps and websites. Government agencies require prompt engineers to research and present data. AI aids healthcare decisions, and prompt engineers optimize this process. Moreover, in marketing, prompt engineers analyze consumer data. They craft strategies that resonate with audiences. Prompt engineering also plays a role in education. It personalizes learning experiences for students. Now, let's discuss real-world examples. Imagine a chatbot that helps users. A good prompt engineer makes it respond accurately. They ensure it understands context and intent. This leads to better user interactions and satisfaction. In your journey to becoming a prompt engineer, consider online courses. Many platforms offer resources tailored for beginners. Networking is also crucial. Join online communities to learn from experts. In summary, prompt engineering is a growing field offering diverse career opportunities. It blends creativity with technical skills and promises a future closely tied to AI. In the next video we will discuss about industry applications and use cases. Stay connected with us. Thank you.